Assuming you are at present marking on Ethereum 2.0, the confirmation of stake POS organization, you are probably procuring around 8% AP. In December 2020, the main part, the signal chain of the ETH2 redesign, was finished, empowering a progress from confirmation of work (POW) convention to evidence of stake POS convention. It is a better approach to get the Ethereum blockchain. There's quite far to go, yet with 2 additional stages to finish stage 1.5 to blend the signal chain with the ongoing Ethereum mainnet, which goes before the multi-stage rollout of shard chains made arrangements for 2022. Shard chains spread the heap of the Ethereum network across 64 new chains. In the event that you stake in Ethereum now, you can't get to your ETH or ETH token prizes until the last stage finish in 2022. Liable to no deferrals, you can then pull out your ETH possessions and your ETH token prizes. Presently, you might think this is a negative. Be that as it may, is there actually any contrast between tying up your ETH property for a year and securing in your money with an ISA account? It's an outlook shift. However, how could you need to tie up your Ethereum stake? What is the future for Ethereum, and is marking Ethereum beneficial? In this video, we will investigate the potential for Ethereum 2.0, taking into account likely projections for marking rewards and the cost of Ethereum once the update finishes. Is Ethereum 2.0 marking beneficial? At the point when Ethereum and Ethereum 2.0 union, validators for the Ethereum organization could be checking out at significantly increasing their ongoing prizes. Ben Edgington exhorts on ETH2 across consensus. As of late, he said, it looks like around 25% per annum is the normal beginning absolute yearly return for validators. By and large, how can it be to high-pitch rewards? A converge to ETH2 methods Ethereum validators process all exchanges and savvy gets, the occupation recently held for Ethereum diggers. In this manner, validators will begin getting extra prizes from clients and dApps, decentralized applications, which will be through exchange charges. There's yet no firm date for the ETH2 culmination other than 2022. Be that as it may, without a doubt, the Ethereum organization will unveil it when they have a decent date. We experience a daily reality such that we anticipate quick rewards, and hanging tight for what we need leaves us feeling baffled. Beneficial things, in any case, merit sitting tight for. So is marking ETH worth the effort? We can't choose for you, obviously. Be that as it may, assuming you put your cash in a conventional investment account, you may be fortunate to procure 1% AP. Overall, stock money management creates 10% every year, except the vast majority fizzle with the securities exchange. You could lose your cash, and it's a ton of difficult work. The eventual fate of Ethereum marking is turning into a rewarding help for digital money trades, and it's interesting to fledgling financial backers or dealers. Jeremy Welch is the VP of Item for Kraken, a laid-out crypto trade. As of late, he said, marking's notoriety is the normal result of a resource class filling and development. While a long time back, holders were predominantly keen on getting momentary additions, many are currently sure securing tokens to procure automated revenue. Why? Conviction is filling in the lifespan of crypto resources as a decent new resource class. In Q1 of 2021, the market capitalization of evidence of stake POS blockchains developed 151%, which made up 1/5 of the all-out market capitalization of the crypto business toward the finish of spring. Extended profit for POS networks were near $19 billion toward the finish of 2021. Why? After the fleeting ascent of Bitcoin in 2017, many individuals began purchasing and holding digital currencies. However, except if the cost of your digital currency ascends, there's very little cash to be made. Put your cryptographic forms of money into marking, and you have much preferred returns over from holding your cryptos. Additionally, as the cost of your crypto possessions builds, your benefits from marking likewise increment. Ethereum yearly benefits normal 8%. Yet as we referenced, they could ascend to 25%. Conventional investment funds with absolute bottom loan fees can't rival the likely premium from marking Ethereum. Ethereum immediately understood the significance of adaptability and the requirement for quick, minimal expense exchanges. Will the value of Ethereum rise? Right now, Ethereum is $3,239. In November 2021, the value rose to $4,482. A 27.73% drop is generally to be expected for digital currencies. A long time back, Ethereum was $85 to purchase. At the point when it hit the high, that meant a 400% increment in a year, once more typical for digital currencies, particularly those in the main 20 recorded cryptos as per market capitalization. Crypto industry specialists propose that Bitcoin may one day reach $500,000. Indeed, this appears to be a ludicrous cost projection. However, 5 to a decade from now, who can say for sure? Ethereum is the second biggest cryptographic money as per market capitalization, and the specialists foresee a value ascend to $20,000 by 2025. At the point when Bitcoin hit $20K in December 2017, the world went distraught. Ridiculous with avarice, individuals went off the deep end purchasing Bitcoin, expecting reports that the cost would shoot up to $100K. Many individuals lost their cash as Bitcoin floated downhill in 2018. At long last arriving at $3,500 in December. Ethereum is a famous cryptographic money. A great deal of financial backers put stock in store for Ethereum. With the rollout of Ethereum 2.0, might it at some point be the sky's the cutoff for Ethereum? Perhaps. In the event that we take a gander at individuals' response to Bitcoin in 2017, should Ethereum marking rewards ascend to 25%, the world would go crazy to get in on the activity. 25% a year could be groundbreaking on the off chance that you had a huge stake in Ethereum and the value rose to $20K or higher. Many individuals are amped up for the fate of Ethereum. Our reality future is moving. Assuming that advanced monetary standards become the standard, our monetary stages would change fundamentally. Government-issued currency might become ancient, and cryptographic forms of money could be the section for computerized installments. Assuming that occurs, Ethereum 2.0 will be prepared. What are the dangers of marking Ethereum? In genuine terms, digital forms of money are undeveloped. We have very little authentic information to notice. With monetary forms and stocks, we can plan back examples of cost conduct. Yet, with cryptographic forms of money, we truly have no clue about where they could go from now on. Sensibly, decentralized, computerized monetary standards seem like the okay way for society to go. The opposition from legislatures to computerized monetary standards is a worry. Those accountable for unified monetary standards would, honestly, really like to direct the existence out of each and every computerized money in the world. It's the one essential worry for digital currencies, and, in the event that legislatures figured out how to concentrate cryptos, the whole market could crash and burn on its head. The expectation is that states may smarten up and consider the capability of digital currencies to be a method for working on the economy. Cash is becoming disliked. However, state-run administrations actually attempt to utilize it to set up bombing economies. With the coronavirus pandemic, organizations immediately found that they as of now not had any desire to deal with cash from purchasers. Many shops and organizations were requesting card installments, and the public found they had cash lying in their wallets for weeks or months. Computerized exchanges clearly should be the best approach forward into what's in store. Be that as it may, with unmistakable financial backers, for example, Warren Smorgasbord abusing cryptos, it could be a daunting struggle. There's another gamble worth focusing on. Ethereum validators have direct admittance to the improvement